Igbo land, beyond the whispering trees, lies a river no one dares to touch, the Forbidden River. For generations, the elders have honored it with kolanut, candle, and prayers. The village woman says, the river sees, the river remembers, the river hears. But one young hunter refused to believe the stories. He said, those are superstitious beliefs. That early morning, with pride in his heart, he walked alone into the forbidden forest. The waters were still, too still. He dipped the calabash as he knelt and touched what was as she rose, he was so afraid, shocked. The wind roared, the earth trembled, his courage vanished, and everywhere became silent. At dawn, he returned, but his voice was gone. Some rivers are not forbidden to control us, they are forbidden to protect us. Follow for part 2. Like, share, and comment.